Hello everybody, let's have a look here at Pan's trade log and let's focus on the Forex trade. So he had 7 Forex and 3 futures trades. Very nice our result, right, for the week. So Pan is a bouncer. His last trade log I had just had a look at, he had a losing week, right? Four trades last week. The last trade log he sent in 4 trades and 4 losses. Now he's bouncing back, right? He's a bouncer, so he doesn't get his mental state be dampened, and that's important, right? I mean, as a trader, you need to be kind of a fighter. Well, not a fighter who's going through with force, right? But a fighter who's actually relaxing when he's not doing well. And this is what he did, right? He's a bouncer, and that's important. So he had a drawdown last week, and now he has made up well for that, right? 10-hour result for the week. So that's great. It's a 2-month minimum R goal. Now let's have a look. So he was trading the top-down analysis, right? The ideas, the themes we got: yen weakness, cat strength. And let's have a look here at some of those. S2 long, right? Yen weakness. S2 60-minute. Pan is very good in trading different time frames. Now this is a 60-minute. It's a clear S2. Well, this is a very nice level to put this up. I would even put it. It's just slightly lower. I put it at this low, right? Then it's protected by 2 higher lows. So I would just put it here. Okay, so entry is correct, right? Well, there's an S2 pattern on the 240-minute. So it's an S2 60 within an S2 240 within an S1 daily. So that's a pattern within a pattern within a pattern. The win rate is lower with this. However, if it works, well, you get a big R result. What was that here? Okay, 5R, big R result. Monthly R goal achieved with this alone, right? So that makes it a little bit make or break, and we can see, right? I mean, if it works, make or break. If it makes it, if the trade makes it, well, this is the result. Why? Well, we basically traded, this pattern, right, with a very tight stop, and produced this momentum move, right? And not only this, we were running for this S1 stop run levels, and this is what produced this big R, right? Big R result. So brilliant trade. Really nice. Okay, now we've got an S1 Bitcoin S1. Okay. Yeah, well, it's a Bitcoin, it's an S1 trade, trying to, well, basically trading the weekly chart. We had another S1 here, breaking a consolidation high. So it's basically the trading for the weekly, for the break of the weekly high. Slide winner, right? Unlucky stop out. S1 Sing, S1 short 15. Okay, yeah, that worries me. There's a lot of, well, that was a stop run. Stop run already occurred before entry. So let's have a look at his negatives. The big wick and the pattern, yeah. Big wick in the pattern. Well, that's basically the stop run already occurred before the breakout and entry. That basically made the pattern obsolete. This might have been a news announcement. It doesn't really matter, but this has made the trade obsolete, and nothing happened. Well, the power is gone, right? With this, this is taking out all those stops. So that might be a nice learning to everybody, right? There was really nice stop run levels aligned, right? And this one took out everything. It made a new low in the consolidation. EuroCAD S1 short. EuroCAD. Okay, that's a long consolidation. Okay. Well, I rather see this as an S1 on this time frame, on the 60-minute. Because this looks like a grown up S1 on the 60-minute too, right? But then this would not be an entry. This looks very much like it's in green light mode. So this might be an S3 as well, right? Tradable. But let's see what happened. Okay, so I rather trade this as an S3, but it still worked, so that's fine. Okay, Bitcoin US S2 long. Okay, that's the future trade. Future S2. Swiss yen, so long. Trading yen strength, yen weakness, Swiss strength. S2. No, that's an S1, right? Or was he trading this one? Okay, I'm not sure if that's an S2, right? S2 long. Okay, you might have traded this one. Well, this is an S2. Yeah, he traded the S2 because he placed the stop here. I would place it a little bit lower. I would place it here. So this is an S2 within an S1 that doesn't fulfill the rules, right? We don't have a touch of 21, but still this is an S1 pattern and we have the opportunity to run for stops. TC3 is overextended, right? But this is an S1 and it might actually, well, that's a momentum trade, a make or break. It might run for these highs, and then this is a super tight stop, right? So it's trading a very, and that's what happened, right? Trading a very tight stop, but this is still open, right? Result 1.1. Stop out at 1.1. Okay, here was the stop out. Unlucky stop out. This has huge swing potential, right? Unlucky stop out. This could have provided a much bigger, you see, super tight stop. Brilliant trade idea. It doesn't always work. Well, it only needs to work sometimes. Right, US CAD S2 short 5, another great trade, 6-hour result. Let's have a look at that. S2, that's a plain vanilla S2, great level, great stop run level. Pattern, it's a pattern, pattern within a pattern, right? So we're looking at, this is the pattern, this is a pattern, this is a pattern. So this pattern, this S2 forms after the S1 in TC2 that had broken lower. So it's a pattern after a pattern, right? And a very strong and smooth downtrend. And here we've got free fall territory in line with the top-down analysis. What a great trade. Yeah, so you're basically trading this S2, right? We've got the momentum move. You're trading this S2 with a super tight stop. And the stop might even be on the other side, like this stop. Might even, no, it's not on the other side, but well, that's a very low, super low risk idea and a great R multiple. Well done. Nice trade. S2 short, pound out. S2 short. Okay, for me that's rather a 60-minute trade. What is it? Okay, Pan has seen it as a 50-minute. I rather see this as a 60-minute because it's a grown-up pattern on the 60-minute too. So then I go one time frame higher, but still it fulfills the rules, right? A nice downtrend here, potentially shooting for the 200, and well, entry already occurred down here. What happened? Stop out with this wick. Okay, you had a great R week already. US Sing has 315 short. Okay, US Sing 15 short. Okay, yeah, that's a pullback. The price has not made a clear lower low, right? It's basically testing the last low. So I'm a little bit cautious with these type of trades. It's better if price makes a clear low and then pulls back. This has not made a clear low, right? A clear low. But the stop is very tight and it can do anything. Okay, great our week. I think we see a lot of thoughts, right? Pan has seen the story that the trade explains, right? Talks about the story behind, and very well done.